My model is based on the subtopic eco-friendly materials. The title of my model is Multi Purpose Stool. A stool is raised seat commonly supported by 3 or 4 legs, but with neither armrest nor by a backrest, and typically built to accommodate one occupant. As some of the earliest forms of seat stool are sometimes called backless chairs. Despite how some modern chairs have backrest, folding seat can be collapsed into a flat, compact form typically by folding the seat in parallel with fold-up legs. Near my house, one boy had been working as an electrician. Once he fell down from the stool while working, and now he is unable to walk. Due to this incident, I have come with the idea for making this multi-purpose stool. This stool can be arranged according to a person's height. This stool will require less storage space. In addition to this, I have attached a net so in case of any incident take place, so this net will hold that person, and thus his or her life will be saved. As its title says, the multi-purpose stool, this stool has multi-purpose uses. For example, at home it can be used by the housewives for removing jars and containers from the kitchen doors which are in height. This tool can be used in library for removing the books from the bookshelves which are very tall. This tool can be used in medical store for removing or either for medicines boxes which are in drawers of the cupboard which are out of our reach. Now I will show the demonstration